How to log into your lowest credit card. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First, I'll launch a web browser and type in lowest credit card. Even on the Google, you can easily search for lowest credit card. Then you will reach on this result page where you have to enter or tap on the official link of Lowe's credit card. So let's select the second link to enter the official interface of Lowe's credit card. Scroll down and here you can see different kinds of credit card. You need to select for which you want to log in and tap pay and manage account. Scroll down and here you have to enter your user ID and password. In case if you forget your user ID and password, tap recover your user ID and you can enter or recover your user ID. The same is for the password and if you wish to remember, you have to check mark the box given below and tap login button. So one important aspect of Lowe's credit card is its special financial offers. Cardholders can take advantage of these offers to make large purchases and pay them off over time without acquiring interest as long as the balance is paid in full within the promotional period. This feature can be beneficial for those looking to make home improvement purchases or other significant expenses. And that is how we log into our lowest credit card. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.